तो आज हम लॉजिकल रीजनिंग का चैप्टर नंबर 8 देखेंगे, कोडिंग एंड डिकोडिंग। इफ लायन इज कॉल्ड माउस, माउस इज कॉल्ड जिराफ एंड जिराफ इज कॉल्ड मंकी, देन डैश इज द टॉलेस्ट एनिमल। तो टॉलेस्ट एनिमल कौन होता है? जिराफ। लेकिन उसको यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? इट इज कॉल्ड एज मंकी। सो इसके अकॉर्डिंगली द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए। यहाँ पे स्वेटर इज कॉल्ड फ्रॉक, फ्रॉक इज कॉल्ड शर्ट, शर्ट इज कॉल्ड रेनकोट, देन डैश इज अ विंटर वेयर। विंटर वेयर में हम स्वेटर पहनते हैं, तो स्वेटर के लिए क्या बोला है यहाँ पे? इट इज फ्रॉक। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी। इफ आइज इज कॉल्ड नोज, नोज इज कॉल्ड ईयर एंड ईयर इज कॉल्ड लेग, फुट, देन डैश इज यूज टू स्मेल। स्मेल के लिए हम यूज करते हैं नोज, तो यहाँ पे नोज को क्या डिनोट किया है? इट इज ऑप्शन सी। If butterfly is called honeybee, honeybee is called mosquito, and mosquito is called housefly, then we get honey from. Honey हमें देता है honeybee, लेकिन यहाँ पे honeybee is called mosquito. So the answer will be mosquito. If bag is called plate, plate is called radio, radio is called diary, then dash is used to carry clothes. It is bag, then it is called as here plate. So the correct answer is option A. Aeroplane is called taxi, taxi is called ship, ship is called jeep, then dash is a water transport. So correct answer is option D. Balloon is called chair, chair is called bag, and bag is called tree, then dash can fly in the air. एयर में कौन फ्लाई हो सकता है? इट इज़ बलून, बट यहाँ पे बलून को क्या बोला है? चेयर। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। इफ एलिफेंट इज कॉल्ड टर्टल, टर्टल इज कॉल्ड मंकी एंड मंकी इज कॉल्ड स्नेक, देन डैश लिव्स इन वाटर एंड लैंड। तो वाटर एंड लैंड में रहने वाला कौन है? इट इज टर्टल, टॉर्टॉइज, देन द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए। सॉरी, बट हियर इट इज कॉल्ड एज मंकी। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी। Pen is called diary, diary is called jug, jug is called pencil, then dash is used to fill the water, jug, but यहाँ पे jug को बोला है pencil. So the correct answer is option B. Kite is called ball, ball is called flower, flower is called ship, then dash can fly in the sky. कौन fly करता है? It is kite. So kite is called as ball. So the correct answer is option A. If Monday is called Wednesday, Wednesday is called Tuesday, then Tuesday is called Thursday, then after Sunday Monday आता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे Monday is called Wednesday, so the answer will be C. If rugby is called volleyball, volleyball is called football, then football is called cricket ball, then we play football using cricket ball, so the answer is A. If cobbler is called carpenter, carpenter is called teacher, teacher is called chef, then dash repair our shoes. So the correct answer is option A, carpenter. Fan is called chair, chair is called tap, tap is called key, then we get water from tap. लेकिन यहाँ पे tap को बोला है key, so the answer will be A. If minibus is called aeroplane, aeroplane is called parachute, parachute is called ship, then dash is a road transport. So the answer is option A, aeroplane. If key is called shoes, shoes is called pen, pen is called ice cream, then dash is used to open the lock. So lock open करने के लिए हम use करते हैं key, लेकिन यहाँ पे key को बोला है shoes. So the answer will be C, shoes. Paper is called grass, grass is called wood, and wood is called cloth. Then furniture is made up of. So the answer is clothes. Tree is called soap, soap is called comb, comb is called scissor. Then dash is used for bathing. So for bathing we use soap, लेकिन यहाँ पे soap को बोला है comb. So the answer will be C. Fox is called peacock, peacock is called zebra, zebra is called tiger, then dash is a bird. Peacock is a bird, so peacock को यहाँ पे बोला है zebra. So the answer will be option D. Elephant is called rabbit, rabbit is called squirrel, squirrel is called dog, then dash lives on a tree. So कौन है जो ट्री पे रहता है? So the answer is squirrel, squirrel is called dog. So the option is D. Thank you.